wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best face painting kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Snazaroo Mini Starter Kit includes 6 classic colors in individual resealable containers. You get 18 milliliters of each color, enough to paint 300 full faces. The water-based paints are easy to remove as well, so you can correct mistakes in a matter of minutes. It comes with 3 brush sizes and offers a quick 1-minute drying time. However, the carrying case cracks easily. At number 9, the Klutz Craft Kit is perfect for beginners and children. It comes with professional Wolf brand paints in bright colors, as well as a brush and a sponge. The 58-page book features tear-out instructional cards that make it easy to match designs. It includes 6 base pigments and is suitable for children ages 8 and up, but the included patterns are a bit boring. Coming in at number 8 in our list, with 12 deeply pigmented colors, the Emisk Professional is great for kids and grown-ups alike. The liquid formula makes it easy to mix to create your own perfect hues, and the cap tubes are not as messy as traditional palette designs. This one's safe for sensitive skin and is both long-lasting and waterproof. However, it can take a long time to dry. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for face painting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with its creamy texture and tiered palette, the Artiparty Premium is a pleasure to use. Once it's dry, it won't crack or feel cakey on your skin, and each individual compartment has its own lid to prevent smudging or transferring between colors. This is theatrical quality paint that's FDA compliant hypoallergenic, but the brushes are not very sturdy. Moving up our list to number 6. If you want to take your face painting to a professional level, arriving in style is important. The padded aluminum carrying case that comes with the Snazaroo 12-color kit will send a clear message about your artistic quality before you even begin. It features a large array of applicators, a silver glitter gel, and a pocket technical guide. Halfway up our list at number 5. A winner of the Week Sterling Fun Award, the Colorful Art Company Mega is backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee. It's FDA compliant and hypoallergenic, so you don't have to worry about any irritating ingredients, and it's easy to remove with damp cloth or baby wipes. This one's vegan and paraben free and comes with a free online guide. You get enough product for 150 faces. At number 4, the Snazaroo Ultimate Party Pack has a dozen vibrant colors and 2 glitter gels for a sparkling finish. It includes a step-by-step guide that makes it easy for anyone to create a variety of designs, from animals to superheroes. It washes off with soap and water and dries to the touch in minutes. It's a fragrance-free formula. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Custom Body Art Glitter Set features 12 brilliant colors and another 12 shimmering glitter shades to lay on top of the paint or to work by themselves. It also comes with 2 bottles of body glue and stencils for creating fun temporary tattoos. It includes brushes and sponges and lasts for up to 7 days. You get 10 milliliters of each color. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for face painting kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, easy to use and mess-free, minikiki crayons are great for taking with you to festivals, sporting events, and birthday parties. They're dermatologist-tested, easy to wash off with just soap and water, and brightly pigmented for vivid designs. Their twistable bases prevent them from drying out, and it eliminates the need for brushes. They don't smudge easily either. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Blue Squid palette includes 30 stencils in fun shapes like birds, dinosaurs, and 4-leaf clovers, and 3 brushes from thick to ultra-thin. You'll also get instant access to step-by-step video guides that take you through the process of creating different looks. The pots are removable and come in a reusable plastic case. It's great quality for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for face painting kits, or simply click beneath this video.